Good morning. Om Shri Guruve Tunai, Tiruniliyaman Tunai, Om Shri Veerashanta Mahakali Tunai. Number 1. Death Suicide Planetary Connection. Answer. If two of these ways, one they will clearly commit suicide to the point where no one can save them. The next type is those who abruptly withdraw from the attempt and suffer from related health disorders but bear the pain and suffering for the whole life. Suicide attempt death related star Pushya Ashlesha Purubhatra, in which Pushya is a dangerous star. These two stars will show that there is more of that thought. 1 9 Lord of Lagna class 9th Bhava. Lord Lagna Jupiter, then this is strong. Next 1 12 contact Lagna Lord 12th Lord Kedu in 12th Lord Lagna. This conjunction is also strong. 1 9 Moon Karma and 1 3 1 8 1 9 3 8 9 Lagna connections with this will also have this mentality. 1 12 connections 1 3 1 8 1 12 3 8 12 Lagna contact. They are ready to commit suicide. They should be taken care of very carefully, and those who have sun and moon karmic records should be very careful. Eighth house character. Re- Retraining from work and saving for a long time is the eighth bhava. Two eighth are related to each other. Next, accident happens in some house during marriage. Answer. The reason for the accident is Rahu Karma register. Number 1. Pusam Visaham Sadayam. Number 2. Rahu Karma runs wherever Jupiter sits. Number 3. Sagittarius house is naturally Rahu Karma house. Ninth house and ninth lord are the cause of accident. Bhagyasanam is about accident. These are the cause of the accident. Seventh Bhava house lord, ninth Bhava house lord. 7 9 conjunction aspect association Jupiter in the seventh house. Jupiter is conjoined with the seventh lord. If that Rahu Karma record repeats, there will be an accident at the time of marriage in the related family. Jupiter Lagna in 1991. Jupiter is conjoined with Lagna Lord 19 Jupiter. People with these combinations are prone to accidents. Next, pedestrian. Answer. Lagna Lord Saturn is in Rohini in Taurus. Saturn will give Mars karma in Taurus, but from the Taurus is Jupiter karma. Rohini Mercury karma now Saturn Jupiter plus Mercury karma will give to their own house. Capricorn and Aquarius house Jupiter plus Mercury karma, but Mars will give karma in 3 7 10 from its position. Jupiter plus Mercury will give karma to his own house. Next, strength of karma transfer. Answer. When the remaining 8 planets except Ketu sit in same place, they manifest karma there and absorb the karma of that house plus the karma of the house in that place, and also absorb the karma of the star they are in, and that planet gives both karma to his own house and the house he has God plus stars to his house. He gives his karma wherever he is placed and aspects. Next, lifespan of the father is at risk. Answer. If there is 6 8 combination in the father's horoscope and 2 4 in the child's horoscope with Punarpusam Swadi Avitam as Lagana Lord or star, then father lifespan will be at risk. If he escape from this risk, he will stay alive for a long time. This is the secret of nature. Father should be more careful if Lagana Lord, sign Lord, and star being sun was conjunct with Saturn Karma and the sixth Bhava or sixth Lord of Mercury is associated with the ninth Bhava, then the father must be very careful. Perhaps if there is a 2442 connection in the same horoscope, the father should be more careful about life. Next, suicide and accidental death. Answer: Rahu Karma should be present for this Pusam, Visaham, Sadayam, Lagna, Lagna Lord and star. If born in this star, there will be a sudden death in that family. This is first level. Next is Jupiter planet, ninth Bhava, ninth Lord is indicating accident and suicidal death. Accident, suicide. Next, only suicide is indicated by planet Ketu. 12th Lord, 12th Bhava. Lifespan is the 8th bhava, the 8th house. If it is affected, life will be affected. If there is this connection from Rahu Karma record 189, then they should be careful in their garage. If thoughts of suicide arise in your mind, remove them from your mind immediately. 1 8 plus Jupiter conjunction means visual communication. 1 8 Jupiter combination 9 8 both are together in Lagna. Suicide and car journey should be careful about it. They have a change of tying. Rahu Karma or Saturn Karma in Lagna Lord, Sun Karma, ninth Bhava. Lagna Lord in ninth Lord is in 5th or 4th Lord is in 5th or 8th Lord is in conjunction with 4 5. If there is such system, then one should be careful in the matter of death of father. Sun and Rahu Karma combination is very strong. If 189 1812 is in his horoscope, there is a change for a person father having accident or suicidal death. Next, two wire system, double married system. Answer: Pusam, Ashlesha and Purvabhadra, these three stars are binary system. Out of this, adultery is the sign of having more than two marriages. Ashlesha Purvabhadra is a star that can say two stars. If Sun Karma and Rahu Karma, both karmas, are present in the same family, there will be more than one marriage in that family line. The 12th sign is only 2. The ninth sign refers to polygamy. Jupiter, Kedu 9 12. Rahu, Sankarma, star Punarvasu, Ashlesha, Purvabhadra. Fifth Lord is in third Bhava. Third Lord is in fifth Bhava. 5 3 are in conjunction with Sun Karma 9 12. If there is a relationship with father, there is a possibility of having a binary system. 179 1712 should be strongly combined with each other. This combination is a powerful system. If the father has a horoscope system, 9 12 conjunction aspect 5 3, 3 5 conjunction aspect Sun Karma, Rahu Karma, conjunction aspect strong combination indicating two marriage for father. Next, Mars Karma Mangalya Bhavam. Answer: the second sign is Mangalya Sthanam. If the female is in conjunction with the Saturn in the second or the 11th lord, there is Mangalyam effect. 1 12 Saturn conjunction, 1 to 11 evil lord conjunction. Next for late marriage, 1 7 11, 1 7 Saturn conjunction. Lack of job due to professional problem, lack of stability of the job found. 1 6 11 and 1 6 Saturn, 1 4 11 and 1 4 Saturn for property problems. People of 1 3 11 1 3 Saturn, 1 5 11 and 1 5 Saturn for sports related issue. Retiring from work and saving for a long time is the eighth sign. 2 8 how to pick up in foster mother and father horoscope. 6 11 karmic relationship of adoptive mother and father. 4 9 karmic relation of mother and father taken by Pitrudosha. Next, karma connection to join income tax department job. Answer: accounts, finance, economics, transport, logistics, steel industry, government job, Rahu karma. Ninth house, ninth lord, Jupiter planet, Rahu in 10th house being karma. 1, 2, 5, two of these three must be related to the 10th sign. 10th Bhava, 10th Lord Mercury should have karmic record. Rohini, Uttaram, Panguni, Purva, Asata. Rahu, Jupiter and Mercury karma should be in the same family. 1 to 5 also 9 sign is being in 10th sign. 10th Lord or 10th malefic Lord Mercury is in karma star. 1, 9, 10, 5, 9, 10, 2, 9, 10 is this planetary combination. Any of these must be Mercury karma. Next, accident issue is a big thing of suicide. Answer: murder, robbery, accident, death, cause, Rahu karma, Saturn, Rahu, Mars karma record. Change of Rahu and Saturn karma happening in the family. They die violently before their natural death. Short life and bad death. If the same karma is strong from these two karma, then they have to be very careful if they have enemies. Saturn karma Punarvasu Swadi Dhanishta. Rahu karma Pushya Vishaha Sadabhisha. Mercury is Lagana, Jupiter 8 Bhava life 1 8 or Mercury. Jupiter conjunct. A combination of 168 and 169 as a strong combination to be killed by Durdeath. He is vulnerable. Balar Abuser. Saturn Rahu Mars 6 9 11. 1 8 is associated with these three combinations. Jupiter, Mercury, Saturn, and 1 8 are associated with this, and they are the ones to be careful with the enemies. This is for those who have no enemies, not necessary. Mars karma, valor, anger, rage. Moon karma is mood karma. Mars, Moon, Jupiter, Venus, karmic record should be for the killer. Mars, Moon, he is psychology affected. So being motivated to violence and turning others. Jupiter plus Venus karma register making a plan and knowing what the result will be or direct or indirect embezzlement. Next, sports and martial arts coach. Answer: Jupiter is the karma teacher. Mirgasitsam, Astam, Uttradam, Kartigai, Puram, and Revadi Mars karma. 11th Bhava, 11th Lord is Saturn planet Mars karma. 1 to 5 Sun, Moon, Mars, Jupiter karma. 1 10 12, 2 10 11, 5 10 11, 1 5 10 11, 2 5 10 11. Working as teacher and trainer in colleges where civil engineer and architecture courses are given. Lagna and 10th house is Mars. If there is Jupiter, they have expertise. Example: Taurus Lagna to Mirgasirs 1, Lagna Lord Venus 1 10 11, 2 10 11, 5 10 11. That's all. Next, heart surgery. Answer: Rahu Karma if a body is to be operated. Operation Rahu Karma. Heart Jupiter, Sun Rahu Karma for surgery Pusam Visagam Sadayam stars. Sun Jupiter Karma star Aswini Ashlesha Anuradha Purvabhadra Mirgashirs Hastam Uttiradam. Health should be the sixth bhava, 6-12 combination. This malefic lord or Jupiter planet plus 6 plus 12. 6, 9 plus 12 will have some operation. 6, 9, 12, fourth bhava, lord, fifth bhava, lord should join. 4, 6, 9, 12 and 5, 6, 9, 12 are connection. 4, 5, 9, 12 joins occupying the sixth house, or 4, 5, 6, 9 occupying the 12th house, or having aspect combination. 4, 5 heart disease, 4 health disorder, 9 surgery, 12 staying in a hospital for medical treatment at our expense. Jupiter Sun, if there is this relationship in Rahu Karma family, then this family has to be careful. Next, work related to banking. Answer: employees working in economics jobs in the bank. Family with Mercury and Jupiter Karma, sign of Mercury Karma, Rohini Uttiram Buradam, Jupiter Karma, Mirgasiram Astam Uttiradam. This is a 6-star combination. Jupiter, Sun, Moon, Mars 1 to 5, Bhava or Bhava and Lord of Bhava. Sun, Moon, Mars sitting in the 10th Bhava, aspect conjunction of 1 to 5, Lord being in 1 to 5, 10, getting Adentum. Lagna, 10th Lord, Rohini, Uttradam, Buradam. If there is banking economy related business, there is a change to enter. Rahu Karma should be there for government job. 1, 2, 5, 9, 10. Ninth Bhava, Lord Jupiter planet or Pusam, Visagam, Sadayam, all these are Rahu Karma. Mercury, Jupiter, Rahu Karma, if Lagana with it. There is government employment. People without Rahu Karma have opportunities in private banking. Next, Rohini, Uttiram, Buradam have occult connections. Answer: if Pusam star is connected with this, there is a Sudhishtar and fortune teller. Rohini, Uttiram, Puradam, Pusam 2, karmic connections Rahu. If Mercury karma comes for more than 2 generations in that family, there is a occult connections fortune telling will be there. They have Rahu, Mercury, and Jupiter karma along with to change chance to be banking and economic sector. Next, those engaged in sea finishing. Answer: to have fish shop, one need moon. Saturn karma. The moon Saturn karma arrives on the shores of the frozen glacier, which is Saturn karma. Moon Saturn Rahu, if there is a karmic record, then go to the sea and catch fish and trade. 1, 6, 7, 10. Complaining together is karmic connection to trade fish. 1, 6, 7, 9, 10 are mixed together. 6, 7, 9 Lagana associated with 10th sign. Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Rahu, this planet should be associated with the carrier house. Moon Karma, Bharani, Magam, Kertai, Uttarattadi. Saturn Karma, Punarpusham, Swadi, Avitam. Rahu Karma, Pusam, Visagam, Sadayam. If these 3 karma stars are connected, see finishing selling. Next, VAO Karma. Next, VAO Karma correlations. Answer: registration of place, house, estate, Mars, Mercury did registration, Rahu government, 10th house carrier, 6th house office. Now 6, 10 Mercury and Mars and Rahu should be mixed. 6, 10 Saturn or 11th Bhava, Jupiter or 9th Bhava should be associated with this. Mercury karma should be added to this. 6th Lord, 10th Bhava Lord should have Rohini, Uttiram, Buradam, Mercury karma. 9, 10 sign Lord should be admitted. Mercury, Rahu, Mars. 6, 10 contact VAO registration department will work. There are many fields associated with this. That's all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.